Good morning, Tush coming at you. Sunday, August the 18th, and not looking so good weather-wise today. Pretty misty and drizzly out. Cars are wet, but apparently Les wants to really go to a car show today. So, Brits on the Lake in Port Perry is today. It's kind of a show that we look forward to most of the year. And anyway, this year it's actually Brits on the Lake and Friends, so it's actually imports and kit cars as well. So Port Perry is about a 45-minute drive away. The weather forecast does not look good all morning. It's 80% chance of rain, so it's probably going to be pretty much like this most of the day. But regardless of that, we are going to go. So I think we'll put the top up on the car. We'll get some Rain-X out on the windscreen. We'll get her packed up and ready to go. I haven't washed it since the last show. I don't think it's really been driven. So, like I said, we'll put the top up. Chair's already in there, and we'll pack her up, get the cooler out, and we'll get on our way. Alright, we're on our way to Port Perry. As you can see, it's pretty wet out, lots of puddles. Anyway, we'll see what the day brings. Hopefully it won't be too bad. It's supposed to be hot too. It's supposed to be pretty close to 95, I think, with the humidity today. So it's going to be a drizzly, warm day. Got a couple umbrellas packed, got a raincoat packed. We got the windscreen all Rain-X'd, so we're good on that front. We obviously have the top up. We've got the rear window zipped down at the moment. Anyway, hopefully it won't be too bad. We'll let you know. I think the TR6 might be in its own element now. It's kind of got some UK weather going on here. It's a little drizzly and a little foggy at the moment, and a little cool. That's not Les I'm following. That's another Capri and an Opel in front of him. So we're just pulling into Port Perry. We're just doing a roundabout to get to registration. So take some more video when we get there. Okay, so we made it to Port Perry, and as you can see, the street is sort of sparsely populated at the moment. It's still early, just after 9 a.m. I don't expect that we'll see too many cars out today. Normally the street is filled all the way to the barricade at the end here. So there we are. As I mentioned, this year is the Brits and Friends, so we've got some Alphas, got a Volvo. Technically the Opel is an import, and technically the Capris are both imports, both from Germany. Anyway, car's looking good. We just detail it quickly. Some of the dirt from the roads on the way here. I think it looks not too bad. So we'll see what the day brings. I figure I'd try to get some video in before it starts to rain. It's getting a little dark out. I'm going to start with some Volvos.
Just built into the gas tank. It's a big thing, and it's pretty big. Instead the gas tank. Just for you, yeah.
we've got a problem with the hood. This is a body shop. Look at here, it's a body shop. These are original. I mean, these are things that normally show the wear because they fit so much.
I think so. It was originally a California car.
Oh, okay.
So it spent most of its life in California and then somehow made its way to Georgia.
I don't mind going out. It's 165 kilometers.
Your roll for was that
We'll have that to take into
Actually, here.
somewhat sunny skies. Weather's definitely improved over the course of the day. So we had a good show. A lot less cars than normal based on the threat of weather. So I'd say that less than half the cars were there than normal. So it was a lot smaller show by comparison over previous years. Anyway, a good show nonetheless. Anyway, we'll having a nice leisurely drive home. We're doing about 90k an hour in 4th gear. It's about 2,500 RPMs. Anyway, see you when we're home.